Awata. All finished. Unfortunately, I'm now covered in black dust, which won't come out of my clothes. Damn it, look. Oh no, it's actually, oh no, I'm making it worse. Look, it's everywhere. Ugh. Oh, maid door? What's this little one? So there's a tiny door here. This is the frame. You can't even fit through there. It's tiny. So there's a tiny door here, and then there's a bigger door here. And then this one here is the third one. So this is for different people. Morning guys, what you just saw there was Kintaikyo Bridge, which is in Iwakuni, about an hour south of Hiroshima City. I've actually always wanted to come here. I've seen plenty of videos on the internet of this place, and Sayori and I were walking around looking at the different buildings and checking out the parks, and we were trying to figure out what this building was right here. And then this legend, like Batman, just came out of nowhere, and in English, pretty much perfect English, decided to tell us about the history of this building and the different parks around the area and the people that live around here. I don't know who he was, don't know what his name was, but in perfect English for about 5 minutes just started giving us a history lesson. I mean, the people around here are absolutely amazing. What a legend. Only special people can use this side. Ah, I see. So me, no. No, I can't go through here. Wow. Oh, let's go and look. Oh, ありがとうございました。Thank you so much. 英語上手。ありがとうございました。Thank you. Yeah, wow. That's so amazing. We were just talking about it, trying to figure it out, reading the sign in English, and just this guy. I don't know if he's a tour guide or...
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe he's a tour guide or just some local. He just literally just walked past us, saw us reading the sign, and just spoke to us for 5 minutes about the history of that building. Just because. That's amazing. What a legend. Soft shell turtle waffle.
Next.
Soft shell snake turtle waffle. Unusual kind, natto. No, thank you. Curry, habanero, soy sauce, calpis, ramen, chocolate. Luxury grapes. I want to know what mine looks like. Is mine black?
わかった。これ見て。パウダーなんだ。
Ah, that's why I might get dirty, because it's got powder on it. Okay, we might have to sit down, I think. So the real reason we did come down here, we just went to an ice cream shop, 100 different flavors, and I just got a warning that I might get dirty, so I don't even know what it is. It's black powder. That's about the extent of... Oh, maybe I shouldn't be rubbing it into my skin, but this one's the devil's... What was it? Devil's ice cream? So you're wearing all white today, so I'll try not to get this on you.
Smiling.
I don't want to smile.
やって。お願い。
Is it black?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. I don't know, it tastes like vanilla and it just tastes like a little bit of chocolate powder or something. I nearly choked on it though. It's not bad. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, here, we'll swap.
Ooh.
Yeah, don't get it on your white jumper or your white dress. What is it? I don't know what flavour it is.
No flavor.
It's hard to tell. Oh, this lemon one's good, I'll tell you that. Oh, did you get it on your finger? It's on your lips.
YouTube.
I'm choking on it. Right. I think I'm successfully navigating my way through this ice cream without it going all over me, so far it's been a great success. It's really good. How are my lips? Are they okay?
Kawaii.
Can't wait. Yeah? Is it clean? No. Kitanai? Oh no. It doesn't say that. I think you're lying.
No.
I think you're lying.
No. Okay.
Okay. So they eat a whole fish.
Yeah.
And then they throw up the fish once they've eaten it.
Yeah.
And then we catch the fish. And then we eat it. That's disgusting. Fisherman fish. What?
ほら。そう。
What? Oh my god, these things are crazy. What the hell? So that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short episode. It was good for me. I hope it was good for you. So please subscribe, leave a comment, and there's going to be a lot more content coming soon. But until then, take it easy and peace out.